Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive blind spot for a lot of organizations out there. We're breaking down a highly strategic resource designed specifically for you, the folks making the executive decisions. We're going to be looking at part one of a really fantastic 5-part tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. They're a Colorado-based technology, research, education, and advisory organization. And to be deeply respectful of your time, we are focusing exclusively on Chapter 1 today, MLOps for non-technical leadership. We're going to explore exactly how you can take all that AI hype and turn it into an actual, measurable business advantage.
So, let's just start with the elephant in the boardroom, right? Why are your AI projects stuck in development limbo? If you're a senior executive, you probably know this quiet frustration all too well. You approve these massive, multi-million-dollar investments in artificial intelligence and machine learning, you hire brilliant data scientists, and then you wait. You just watch those incredible experiments stall out in the lab. Basically, they become the world's most expensive digital paperweights. They rarely make it into production where they can actually do something, like generate value for your customers or streamline your internal ops.
Well, the research from Virtualization Options provides a clear, actionable framework to correct that exact course. What makes Chapter 1 so incredibly powerful is that it's not bogged down in a bunch of coding jargon or complex math. It's designed specifically for you, the non-technical leader. It gives you a strategic playbook to bridge that massive gap between data science experimentation and operational reality. If you need to start seeing actual returns on your AI initiatives, like today, this overview is your starting point.
Because look, development limbo isn't just a minor IT headache or some standard technical delay. It represents massive missed opportunities. When predictive models struggle to deploy, or when their accuracy quietly degrades because the real-world data changed, a sneaky little concept known as data drift, you are actively failing to capitalize on your initial data science investments. Imagine spending months building a tool that predicts customer churn, only for consumer behavior to completely shift overnight. If your model can't adapt and deploy quickly, that investment is totally dead in the water. And that translates to a direct, substantial hit to your bottom line.
So, the solution? It lies in a fundamental structural shift across your entire organization. The source text actually defines MLOps perfectly. It calls it a discipline for streamlining the entire life cycle of machine learning, from data collection and model development to deployment, monitoring, and continuous improvement. This is not just another tech buzzword for vendors to throw around in pitch meetings, okay? It's the operational bridge. It takes artificial intelligence from being this fragile, isolated lab experiment and transforms it into a resilient, enterprise-grade asset that your business can actually rely on every single day.
Now, if you come from a software background, you might be sitting there wondering, hey, why can't my existing DevOps teams just handle this automatically? Well, while traditional DevOps is absolutely fantastic for standard software development, MLOps handles the unique, frankly messy complexities of machine learning. You see, standard software code is relatively static once it's written, but machine learning, it's a completely different beast. We're talking about constantly shifting data dependencies and the stark reality that ML models actively degrade over time. It requires continuous training and really intricate model versioning. That's highly specialized handling that standard software DevOps simply was not built to manage.
To put it simply, manual machine learning deployment is wildly resource-intensive and incredibly prone to human error. Think about it like an assembly line versus building a modern vehicle completely by hand. Sure, your team might eventually piece together a working car in a garage, but it's going to be painfully slow, extremely expensive, and honestly very risky if you try to sell it. You just cannot scale a hand-built artisanal process in today's competitive digital landscape. You desperately need that assembly line to ensure speed, safety, and consistency.
And the crucial point here is automation. Think of MLOps as your automated assembly line for intelligence. By automating everything from data ingestion right through to deployment and monitoring, you drastically lower your day-to-day operational costs. But even more importantly, you free up your highly paid, brilliant technical talent. Instead of having your top data scientists doing repetitive maintenance and manually debugging deployment issues, they can focus their mental energy on high-value model innovation. This is exactly how you align your technical operations directly with your ROI and cost reduction goals.
All right, so how do we transition from just understanding this concept to actually executing a strategic playbook? As a non-technical leader, your very first step is asking the tough questions and forcing your organization to take a long, hard look in the mirror. How do you evaluate your current AI and machine learning practices? You absolutely cannot fix a broken, leaking pipeline if you have no idea where the leaks actually are, right? Diagnosing your current operational maturity is the absolute prerequisite to scaling any future AI initiative. And Chapter 1 outlines exactly how to assess that baseline. Think of this as a strategic audit of your AI capabilities. You need to begin by taking a hard, honest inventory to uncover exactly which predictive models are actively serving customers in production versus the ones that are just indefinitely trapped in the development phase. From there, look closely at your operational processes. Determine how often deployed models are actually updated. Talk to your people. Uncover those hidden bottlenecks that are frustrating your engineering teams. And finally, identify where outdated manual tools are actively holding your organization back. This diagnostic step is absolutely crucial.
Once you have your baseline, well, then you can build a roadmap. The text lays out 5 specific phases to adoption, and it's designed as a really cohesive lifecycle story. Let's look at how this builds. It starts by implementing data versioning, so you always know exactly what data trained your models. That naturally flows into experiment tracking to formally log all your results. From there, you automate basic pipelines for a small pilot project. Then you introduce real-time model monitoring to watch its performance out in the wild. And finally, step 5, you establish feedback loops so the model continuously improves itself. It's a cohesive engine, built piece by logical piece.
Now, did you notice what that very first phase was? Data. High-quality, validated data is the absolute bedrock of everything we've just discussed. Data is literally the fuel for your AI engine. If you put bad fuel into a high-performance vehicle, it simply will not run. MLOps enforces this critical foundation through automated data pipelines, rigorous validation checks, and strict versioning. Simply put, if you don't have trustworthy, consistent, and well-managed data, absolutely no amount of AI sophistication is going to save the project. But here is a quick reality check for the leaders tuning in today. You can go out and buy all the cutting-edge cloud infrastructure and automation tools in the world, but sustained MLOps requires a profound cultural shift. It demands your unwavering executive buy-in to break down those traditional stubborn silos between your data scientists, your machine learning engineers, and your IT ops teams. You know, tools do not fix silos, leaders do. MLOps is fundamentally a team sport, and it requires you to actively champion that cross-functional collaboration from the top down. To help you lead that charge, the source provides an immediate, bottom-line focused executive action plan. You can weave this into your strategy by starting with that readiness assessment so you know exactly where you stand. Next, define a small, high-impact pilot project to secure an early, undeniable win for the business. Then, build a cross-functional task force to own this pilot, invest heavily in training them with the right skills, and establish crystal-clear communication channels so the entire organization sees the tangible value being created. This right here is your blueprint for building real momentum. The blueprint, the strategic mindset, and the operational playbook are all right here. So it really just brings us to one final question. Are you ready to turn your AI experiments into robust enterprise assets? Or are you content watching your competitors scale while your brilliant models just sit idle in the lab? It's time to stop leaving massive investments in development limbo and start using MLOps to unlock your true business value. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and we'll see you next time.